It is October, and today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be creating a Halloween special. We are going to be making black pancakes. Hello and thank you for stopping by. If you're a new subscriber, karibu to my kitchen space. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed, consider hitting the subscribe button below and let us grow the family. So these are the ingredients that you will be using for these pancakes, and these quantities serve 7 people, i.e., or rather, let me just say 7 pancakes, because you can still eat the 7 pancakes alone. But these particular measurements or quantities of ingredients produce 7 pancakes, 7 medium pancakes. Now let's get into the mixing stage. Ensure that your activated charcoal is either crushed or you grind it, and then you mix your dry ingredients, all of your dry ingredients together. What are your dry ingredients? The activated charcoal, the one that you've crushed, the sugar, the self-raising flour, and the pinch of salt. Those are your dry ingredients. So ensure that when you're mixing them, you're sifting as you go, so that when or if you get large or huge particles left, you can crush them, and then so that your batter can be smooth. Yeah, you just need smooth batter over here now. Yes. Anyway, so after you have mixed the dry ingredients, you can add the wet ingredients, starting by the milk, then the egg, then vanilla, then oil. Yes, and you mix until they have fully combined. Ensure that you don't have any flour left, like on the side of the bowl or anything like that. Yeah. Once you pour your batter on top of the pan, wait for 4 to 5 minutes until you see bubbles starting to appear on the top of the pancake. It's ready. Hence, you can flip it, and that's like 45 minutes later. You can flip it. Then after you flip it, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and your pancake is done. Yes, and as you can see, it's a very, very easy process. Anybody can do it with anything, anywhere, any person. Like, it's a very easy recipe. Let's talk about activated charcoal. It has very many advantages, and I'll just mention but a few. So if you have a child or children who suffers from diarrhea or constipation, you can actually use this recipe and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Which 2 birds, you might ask? One, you will be treating the diarrhea or the constipation, and you will also be feeding the child. So even if they don't want to eat or they don't feel like eating, you're feeding them. I mean, it's pancakes. Children love pancakes, so they will be eating, and you will be treating their diarrhea or constipation. Another advantage of using activated charcoal is it helps in reducing acidity. So if you have acidity, this is a very, very nice recipe. Even that time when you're feeling like imekufika kwenye koo, you can use this recipe and it will be good for your health. Another one, this one, all of you really need to hear this, because this is very, very important. It helps the kidney to filter out undigested toxins and drugs. In relation to that, it helps to prevent hangovers, and it also cures alcohol poisoning. You guys, isn't this amazing? This is amazing. So as you can see, this recipe is not only easy, but it's also very, very good for your health. It treats almost all of your stomach issues. So make sure you try this recipe out. I know most of you are wondering, what about the taste? Well, there is no significant change in taste when you cook these pancakes. So just be ready to enjoy, be ready to indulge, and your stomach is going to thank you after these pancakes. Promise.